Let's talk about one of the advanced features of the Swimage Assist tool, or what we call SWAT. One of the big pluses to using the Attune software in Swimage is that we can create a recovery disk for a local machine. We can do that simply by having a USB stick large enough to handle the size of the Swimage tool. We go to recovery media, and you'll see we have a scan USB button here. We're going to select that. It's going to give us the D drive where I've inserted a USB stick. We're going to select that, and we can, if we've already created a recovery disk, we can just update it with the latest software that's available, or we can recreate the stick from scratch by format and rebuild. I'm going to do the full format and rebuild so that we can have the whole process, see the whole process. This is what you would normally do on a brand new stick. So we just click the button, and we will be back when it's done. Okay, we've completed the stick build, and we now have a useful stick that, if in case of a catastrophic issue with the system, we can use that stick to rebuild the system back to fully functional, from the ground up to back to fully functional levels in less than an hour. So that's how you create a recovery USB stick.